PSLE 2022, Paper 2, Question 12. Remember to read and annotate at the same time when you are doing word problems. Do not read the entire question. Read line by line, sentence by sentence. When you read and annotate, you pick up keywords, important points. From the keywords, you should be able to identify the concepts. With the correct concept and heuristic, you should be able to solve the word problem. Now, after solving the word problem, do not forget to evaluate. Evaluate means checking your answer, your solution, not with the same concept, but using a different heuristic, a different style, a different way of solving. If the two methods have the same answer, we are good. If they are different, then we have to reread, re-annotate. So the cycle continues. This is the question that we are doing today. It's a question 12 from paper 2 of the year 2022. 12a, we are supposed to find the angle ACD, and we are told that ABCD is a parallelogram. So I'm annotating now. Now, when we have the word parallelogram, don't forget to put down the arrows in the diagram. Draw the arrows. Okay, the arrows will give us plenty of information. So with the arrows, we can do the questions easily because we know the properties. Next, we are also given the information that ACE is equilateral. Now, equilateral means that all the three sides are equal. Okay, that means there should be 60 degrees at the three vertices. So this whole thing is 60. This whole thing is also 60. And this whole thing over here is also 60. Right? So angle ACE is 60. Angle AEC is 60. And angle CAE is also 60. Right? So remember to put in the lines on the three sides to show equilateral property. Now, if we know that this is 30, if we know that angle DAE is 30 degrees, we should be able to find angle CAD. Which one am I referring to? It's this one over here. This one over here is none other than 30 degrees. Why is that so? Because 60 degree minus 30 degree will give us 30 degrees. Okay, so it's easily understood. Now, the next information that we need to know is this. Okay, let me annotate first. Okay, all right, let me use a lighter one. I shall circle it instead. Now, DC is equal to DE. Okay, I'm going to mark on the diagram DC equals to DE. Now, DC is here. Okay, this line. This line is DC. And this line is DE. And these two lines are equal. That means we know that it is isosceles. Triangle CDE is isosceles. Okay, so if triangle DCE is isosceles, we are happy. Why? Because of this. Okay, let me sketch the diagram. This is triangle CDE, and this is isosceles, and we know this is 138. That means we can find this and this very easily using the isosceles property. So the angle here and here should be 180 degrees subtract 138 degrees divided by 2. Using our calculator, we get 21 degrees. So this is 21 and this is also 21. Now, if this is 21, that means we can find this angle here very easily. This is 60 minus 21. Okay, 60 minus 21. All right, and that gives us 39. So this is our 39. Now, whatever angle that you have found, remember to plug it in. Okay, put it back. Okay, now to make it less confusing, I should use double marking for the isosceles. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. We shall move on. Now, we are told that this is 30. So let's look at this triangle here. Triangle ADE. Oops. The one I highlighted in yellow. Now, triangle ADE is easily able to help us to find angle ADE. This angle here. Okay? Alright, so the angle over there is very easy to find. So allow me to sketch that triangle first. Alright, so if this is A, this is D, and this is E. This is our 30 that is given to us. This is what we want to find. And this is our 39 that we have found earlier. Okay, so this can be found by using the sum of angles in a triangle property. 180 degree minus 30 degrees minus 39 degree. Okay, and we should obtain 111 degrees. So this is 111 degrees. So looking at vertex D, vertex D, we are already able to find part B. Okay, so angle CAD is actually found using the property sum of angles at a point. Okay, so I'm going to sketch that line. So this is our D. This is our 111 that we have found. This is given to us 138. We want to find this, which is angle CDA. C is here, D is there, A is here. Okay, so angle CDA is actually found by using 360 degrees subtract 138 degrees subtract 111 degrees. Okay, so it is still 111 degrees. So this is the answer for part B. Part B is done. Okay, let's go back to part A. Now, part A is asking us to find angle ACD. So angle ACD is up there. Okay, so we should be able to find angle ACD by using the 111 degrees. So it doesn't mean that we have to solve A first. Sometimes we can solve B first to get A. Alright, so let me sketch the triangle ACD over here. So this is A, this is triangle A, CD, and this is the 30 that we found at the beginning, and this is the part B answer, and we want to find this one, which is angle ACD, and this will help us to find the answer for part A. So angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees subtract 30 degrees subtract 111 degrees, using the property sum of angles in a triangle. So if we subtract carefully, we should get answer 39 degrees. So A is done. Okay, I'm going to move on to C. Now, angle EAB. EAB. Oh, okay. EAB is this corner here. I'm going to circle it. All right, there's an obtuse angle up there. Now, we already know that angle EAB is made up of 30 degrees and 30 degrees and another angle up there. Okay, now we should be able to use the parallelogram property. Okay, so if we use parallelogram property and the alternate angles property, or some of you may know it is the Z rule. This is also 30 degrees. Okay, and within the parallelogram property, right? Okay, we know that this is our 111 that we found earlier, and this is also 111 because of the internal opposite angle in a parallelogram should be the same. All right, so that means we can find what is this question mark here. Okay, by using sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, so actually you should realize that it is 39 degrees. So I'm going to remove the question mark. This is actually our 39 degrees. It's alternate to here. Okay, it's actually alternate to our answer for part A. Okay, all right. So that means angle BAC is the same as angle ACD, the property of the Z rule or the alternate angles rule. Now, we should be able to solve part C very easily. This is done. How do I know? Because we have all the three angles that we need. So angle EAB should be 39 degrees, add 30 degrees, add another 30 degrees. All right, so this is the answer for part C, and it's 99 degrees. Part C is done. Okay, so this is the answer for part C. This is the answer for part A, and this is the answer for part B. Okay, right, so this angles question or geometry question, once you know all the properties, okay, that you have learned in P3, P4, P5, and of course P6, all the rules and properties that you can remember, apply them carefully, you should be able to tackle angles questions or geometry questions very easily. Question 12 is completed. The next video that I will be sharing with you will be uploaded, will be on question 11, paper 2, question 2022, right? Question 11. Now, to know when the question 11 will be uploaded, will be shared in the YouTube channel. Very simple. All you have to do is to subscribe. Subscribe, and then you get notified. Now, what do you think of my today's discussion? If it's okay to you, kindly give me a like. And I value your feedback, your motivation, your encouragement, or anything that you want me to further explain. Okay? Now, if the video is useful to you, remember to share with anyone that is taking PSLE this year, or any of the P5 students Yeah, because they are also learning geometry. Okay, remember to continue to support my channel and replay the video if you get a clearer understanding of this question 12. All right, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my video. This is Joseph signing off. Goodbye.